And CEO and founder of Purely Homemade Masalas are just right in front of me. और इनसे पूछते हैं कि ये आपको क्या मैसेज दे रही है।
प्रिजर्वेटिव्स नहीं है, कोई केमिकल्स नहीं है, कोई फिमिगेशंस नहीं है। तो हमारा दो ही मकसद है कि हम औरतों को एम्पावर करें इन मसालों से और हम हेल्थ को प्रमोट करें। खालिस मसाले और ख़वातीन अपने हाथ से पीसती हैं चक्की के अंदर, जो हमारी नानियाँ और दादियाँ पीसती थी, जिनको अब हम बिल्कुल भूल गए। लेकिन ये हाथ से बहुत मेहनत से और बहुत मोहब्बत से पिसे हुए मसाले।
Hello, this is Nishi Khan from N6 and we are live here covering an event happening here for grand opening of masalas, and they are not ordinary masalas, they are purely homemade masalas. Exactly, this is the name of the masala, Purely Homemade Canada, and you will find these organic masalas here at Apna Farm. And you know what, this Apna Farm is here in your favorite place, Ridgeway Plaza, where everyone wants to come here, spend time with their family. You come here at Apna Farm for these purely homemade masalas, and I tell you, you won't regret it. Let's see and check it out inside. You and founder of Purely Homemade Masala and Binish and Jasmine. तो Jasmine, Binish, बताएं हमें कि इन मसाला जात की क्या स्टोरी है?
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Purely Homemade is not a brand of the spices only. Basically, we have started a small business to empower the women of Pakistan and to help to promote the health. Yeah. So all the spices, as you can see, the one single pouch of this spices. The spices is purely and naturally resourced by the farmers and hand grinded and stone in a stone mill by the women and the villagers of the farm of the Pakistan. And this is the package, the whole package. It's also be environment friendly, and it's also be packaged by the women of Pakistan. So basically, from the farmers to the packaging, the whole spices is the handmade and 100% pure and natural, no preservatives and no additives, no artificial colors, no chemicals, no fumigations. So when you get these spices, it's 100% pure and organic spices you will find. And the most important thing, it's a natural, and we are empowering the women of Pakistan. So if anyone buy this product, is basically empower a woman.
I'm here at Apna Farm और Purely Home की यहाँ पर आज ग्रैंड ओपनिंग हुई है, and CEO and founder of Purely Homemade Masalas are just right in front of me. और इनसे पूछते हैं कि ये आपको क्या मैसेज दे रही है?
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं आप सारे कैनेडियंस को ये कहना चाहती हूँ, पाकिस्तानीज़ को, कि अगर आपने नेचुरल और प्योर स्पाइसेस को आपने ट्राई करना है, अपने घर में लेके आना है, तो नेचुरल प्योर स्पाइसेस अब अवेलेबल है अपना फार्म पे। तो इंशाअल्लाह ताला आप यहाँ आके परचेज़ कर सकते हैं। ये सारे स्पाइसेस नेचुरल हैं, प्योर है, और इसके अंदर कोई प्रिजर्वेटिव्स नहीं है, कोई फिमिगेशंस नहीं है, और ये सारे उन ख़वातीनों के हाथों चक्की में पिस के आ रहे हैं बड़ी मेहनत के साथ। So we have to support women empowerment. We have to support the healthy spices at all the time. Yeah. So come Apna Farm for our spices of the Purely Homemade.
I just want to say, come and try our special chaat masala. This is our most wanted, most favorite. Everyone loves it. So I would just to say, at least one time, try this one, chaat masala, especially.
So go for chaat masala. Thank you so much.
प्योरली होममेड स्पाइसेस पाकिस्तान में गांव से बन के आ रहे हैं। ये स्पाइसेस बिल्कुल खालिस मसाले हैं, और ख़वातीन अपने हाथ से पीसती हैं चक्की के अंदर, जो हमारी नानियाँ और दादियाँ पीसती थी, जिनको अब हम बिल्कुल भूल गए। लेकिन ये हाथ से बहुत मेहनत से और बहुत मोहब्बत से पिसे हुए मसाले हैं। कोई प्रिजर्वेटिव्स नहीं है, कोई केमिकल्स नहीं है, कोई फिमिगेशंस नहीं है। तो हमारा दो ही मकसद है कि हम औरतों को एम्पावर करें इन मसालों से और हम हेल्थ को प्रमोट करें।
बिल्कुल, जैसा कि आप ही ने कहा है कि मसाले वो वह चीज़ थी जिसके लिए ब्रिटिश ऑल द वे गए थे, और अब वो मसाले हम उनके घरों तक ले जाना चाहते हैं। तो ये मसाले ना सिर्फ आप खुद इस्तेमाल करें, अपने हमसायों को गिफ्ट करें एज ए कॉज। जैसे इन्होंने बताया, ये टोटली ऑर्गेनिक है। इसमें बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, लेकिन बहुत कम प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं जिनमें 4 W होते हैं। इससे विन फॉर द कम्युनिटी, win for the local community, win for the people at the back in Pakistan, and win for the culture as well.
Yes, exactly.
आपका अगर
And the
मसाला
tradition,
किसी
yeah.
के यहाँ जाता है, आप देखिए आप इतना कुछ दूसरे कल्चर्स का खाते हैं, फलां की चीज है, फलां का पास्ता है, फलां का पिज्जा है, और ये हमारी स्पेशलिटी है. जो मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगा है, इसे वेरी मॉडर्न लुक.
और ये सबसे बड़ी बात कि हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ जो हमारी कोशिश है प्योरली होममेड की, कि हम सिर्फ पाकिस्तान से हमने इनिशिएट किया है. इंशाल्लाह ताला जो हर अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज हैं उन खवातीन को हम लेकर आए और उनके स्किल्स को हम
बिल्कुल सही बात है, बिल्कुल सही बात है.
कनाडा हमें डाइवर्सिटी दिखाया है, तो हम चाहते हैं कि उसको लेकर आए सारे कल्चर्स
और
को
आप
लेकर.
जरूर बताएं कि किसी ने किसी गांव में बैठ के बड़ी मोहब्बत से मसाले पीसे हैं
बिल्कुल,
आपके लिए.
बिल्कुल.
तो हम लोग जैसे बात हुई तो हम लोग इसको ऑस्ट्रेलिया में इंशाल्लाह इंट्रोड्यूस कराएंगे.
बहुत शुक्रिया,
तो
इंशाल्लाह.
मजीद आप देखें डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारी डिटेल और लिंक्स मौजूद हैं.
Yeah.
थैंक यू.
जज़ाकल्लाह.
Hi, I'm Nishi Khan here, and as you can see, I am here in Apna Farm. I'm representing N6, and Miss Sue is here, who is here just for the grand opening of purely homemade Canada masalas. And you know what? This is amazing. This is free of any chemical. This is all organic. So I welcome you here at Apna Farm Ridgeway Drive, and I think this is the big hub now. More footfall here in the town. So Sue, what's your opinion about Apna Farm and the grand opening of Purely Homemade?
I love the fact that it has no preservatives and no chemicals. That's wonderful. But Apna Farms, I mean, it is the hub. And my residents in Ward 10 certainly appreciate all the successful businesses. I don't know how many people can eat 50 shawarma places, but that's okay. As long as everybody is successful and the business is successful, we certainly needed a grocery store here. And I can see by the parking lot that people are really enjoying this.
Exactly. And I can see, I mean, before even 12 noon, the parking lot was full and I was hardly finding any parking lot here. So that is amazing.
It's busy all the time, like not just during the day, it's busy at night. And I love seeing families here with their children enjoying it after hours with their strollers and just sitting and enjoying each other and having a tea and all the beautiful food that there is here.
So absolutely, congratulations to the founder and CEOs of Purely Homemade Masalas. What is your opinion about this masalas? Because you know everything about in this masalas. So what's your opinion?
Thank you so much, Nishi. Thank you so much, Mustafa Bhai, and thank you so much, Sue.
Of course.
This is a big honor for us. We are so excited. We never thought that we can ever have a opening ceremony of these spices before, yeah. And me and my friend, she is Benish.
Yeah.
We just started a small work to help the women in back home, yeah. We never thought that we can have a big products and the brand like that. We have a mission to empower the women of Pakistan or all over the
Beautiful.
global. Yeah, we need it. So that's why we think why we are not ask those women what their skills, because they have no education and nothing like that. So they show their skills, they can make the spices. So I asked them, okay, just make the spices. And these spices are purely handmade or directly resourced from the farmers. No machine work at all. And the amazing thing is, and the amazing, it's all the hand grinded, no machine work is there. So in every packet you saw in Purely Homemade is a story of the one woman.
Thank you so much. I would like to thank you, Mr. Mustafa, who is the owner and CEO of Apna Farm here in Mississauga. So, sir, congratulations and thank you so much for supporting a great cause. Because when Jasmine and Binish, they told me that This is not only masalas, this is the story of every woman working from home. So hats off to Binish and Jasmine just to bring up and doing business with a cause. So this is great. Thank you so much, and I hope everyone can take your masalas in future. Thank you.
The world today is one where we need sustainable development, where we need to keep in mind what our environment looks like, and we need to keep in mind who is producing these products and how they're being sourced. I love the fact that this is a women-led, women-run company, and that a lot of these people from the village to the city to a completely different country is really showing how we need to be doing business and how we need to be taking care of our health too. And having, no chemicals within our masalas and hand ground reminds me of my dadi ammi, to be honest. So I'm very excited to be here. I'm very excited to support all of you and this great initiative. Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam. When I was invited a few days ago, and I was told the story, it was really inspirational. So it's actually my honor to be here, and we are really proud of you, what you guys are doing. In fact, you are like a role model for all our community, even here and back home especially. As Madam Ikra rightly said, sustainable development is the key word, and this is the epitome of sustainable development. You are empowering the local communities, especially the backward segment of the society in Pakistan. And coming here to one of the most advanced nations, it's only possible because of your hard work. So may Allah Ta'ala bless you.
These spices are coming from the very far villages.
Exactly,
So there is no electricity, no water.
And they're doing it by hand.
They are doing by hand. They have
So it's organic also, that's also one of the most, it's 100% organic and pesticide free. So it's an awesome product. So
all the products, the most special thing that I feel, all products are made by all mothers. Mostly.
Mashallah.
So they are very, very thinking. Everyone loves our work. So every packet has a story of the one woman and the love of the mother. Yeah.
And by showing responsibility, you are also helping them, economically also, and giving them fair share of the deal. So that's also very important. So we're really proud of you, and it's my honor to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So we just have Ikra wants, if you want to come up and you want to give your certificate.
If I may, I don't need to speak
Okay,
on it,
perfect.
but I will recognize.
Bring Dadu before. It's new chapter of Purely Homemade with the blessings of our loved ones and the adults in our family. So I want to call up my grandfather and Jasmine's father, and I also want to call up Vinish's mother-in-law. And with that, we introduce Purely Homemade into Apna Farm officially. So before we there's a bunch of snacks for everyone else here. We want to just give some honorary gifts to our honorary guests.
Assalamualaikum, मेरा नाम शफकत अली है, मैं member Parliament Brampton Centre से. It is truly an honor to be here to support this business launch, and to support our women for this initiative getting into businesses. I was raised by a single mom. I always have a special place for women to be there to support, and I wish you best of luck. And I think it's the sky's the limit, and you can achieve more than anybody else. That woman has strength more than men. So just jump in there, and you have sky's the limit. I wish you best of luck. Thank you. A token of appreciation.
Yeah, I can hold this. Go ahead. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. First of all, I just thanks to Allah Ta'ala who gave us the strength and opportunity that we can serve the community. And after that, I am very thankful to my parents, to my family, my friends, my volunteers, to help in every step. And at the last, I would love thankful to my husband and all the men who empower their women only also, because every person have some kind of the strength. So if they have a father, brother, husband, they empower their strength. So I thankful to my husband Arfi and the Binish. Thankful to
And I am also thankful to everyone, all the volunteers, and especially my husband, because I believe without him support I can't do anything.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, everyone.
And this is Nishi Khan from N6 and we are live here. यहाँ पर आने का मकसद आज ये था कि यहाँ ग्रैंड ओपनिंग है. किसकी ग्रैंड ओपनिंग है? प्योरली होममेड मसालास की आज ग्रैंड ओपनिंग हुई यहाँ पर अपना फार्म में. और अपना फार्म आपका अपना रिजवे प्लाजा के अंदर अपना फार्म है. आपने यहाँ पर आना है, अपना फार्म में अपनी ग्रोसरीज करें और साथ में मसालास तो आपके खाने की जान होते हैं. खाने मसाला ये इनके बगैर खाने बन नहीं सकते. सो आपने आना है यहाँ पर अपना फार्म में. प्योरली होममेड मसालास आपने लेने हैं विच इज़ ऑल ऑर्गेनिक. इसमें कोई केमिकल नहीं मिला हुआ है. और सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि अब प्योरली होममेड मसालास दे आर सपोर्टिंग विमेन जो कि घर से काम करती हैं पाकिस्तान में, उनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. सो दे आर डूइंग बिजनेस विद अ कॉज और प्लीज सपोर्ट देम और यहाँ पर आइए और प्योरली होममेड मसालास लीजिए. सो अंदर चलते हैं और दिखाते हैं आपको कि प्योरली होममेड मसालास कैसे दिखते हैं. और इनका आई विल डेफिनेटली रेकमेंड इनका चाट मसाला ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिएगा.